Hello everyone, so first we're going to draw a dolphin by using our hand. First we are going to make the structure. After it's ready, we are going to detail it by making eyes and the fins. Then we're going to make some water droplets all around it. After it's ready, we're going to use blue color sketch pen for coloring this dolphin. You can use any color you want for this and it is completed. Next we are going to make a rose starting by making its petal. After that we will move ahead towards its stem. Then we're going to make two leaves all around it. Then we are using red color for coloring the rose and the green color for coloring the stem, and it is completed. Next we are going to make an ice cream cone starting by making the ice cream, then the cone. After that we're going to color it by using different colors. You can use any color whichever you want. Now we are using peach color for coloring the cone. Next we are going to make Peppa the pig by using our hand. First we are going to draw his body, then we're going to move ahead towards the detailing including the eyes, nose, the ears and the mouth. After that we are making the body and some ice cream which he is holding. Then we're going to color the body with red color and then the ice cream with different colors, and your drawing is ready.